Hi you guys, it's the Blonde Bombshell Blondie Lockhart, and I enjoyed the ponytail while it lasted, but as you can see, we've resulted back to this. We just flopped it up there in a bun because I miss my curls. I'm trying to get that old thing back. So today's arsenal that I'm going to use to get my curls back popping is Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, the Coconut Cream Recipes line. I'm going to be real with y'all. I don't like the taste of coconut. I don't like the smell of coconut. I don't like the look of coconut. However, Fluffy, my hair is named Fluffy. Fluffy, however, loves coconut. So since my hair has been fried and laid to the side and I hope it's not damaged, Jesus. But we're going to say that. I'm claiming it's not damaged. It's not damaged, Jesus. Let's get started. Let's take the bun down. All right. So I did start off with my Pre-Poo Recipe. If you guys want the link to that, it's in the description below. I did change the oil with the Aunt Jackie's Nourish My Hair Flaxseed and Manure Oil. Take that spray bottle and spray the entire contents all over my head. Now I'm going to sit with this underneath a shower cap for about 10 minutes. Stop dripping everywhere. Get that up. Yeah. After the 10 minutes, let's check. Okay, curls, push through. Now I'm going to cleanse with the cocoa wash. Deep condition with the cocoa repair. Detangling in small sections. And wrapping each section into a bun. I also added Nourish My Hair oil to each section for additional moisture. Put all that under the shower cap and sit under the dryer for 10 minutes. Next, I rinsed out the conditioner in those same sections, towel blotted my hair, and grabbed the buttercream. Used my comb to make neat sections, detangle once again with the comb, added the product, and did a 2-strand twist on each small section. I tried to do a close-up of how I do my 2-strand twist. If you guys want a better video of that, just leave it in the comments below. These are the finished results, and I am in love. My curls bounced back, so I did not damage my hair, thank God. And even though I don't care for the smell of coconut, the scent of this Aunt Jackie's coconut cream line is actually very pleasant, so I can definitely deal with it. I'm going to wear my twists for a few days, maybe even a week. And to stretch them, I'm going to do the pinning method or stretching method. It's different names that it's called, but I'm going to take my twists and pull them in opposite directions around my head so that way my shrinkage won't be as bad when I take them down. So again, overall, I am very pleased with the results. If you guys want to try Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Coconut Cream line for yourself, head to auntjackiescurlsandcoils.com to find out where products are in your area. For more natural hair and beauty videos, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Also, make sure that you follow me all over social media at Blondie's Lipstick. Until next time, mwah!